The rain was coming down last night into this morning. Doug, some of your former viewers sent you some video and messages on Facebook. This is McCurtain County, just a little south of LaFleur County, Broken Bow, and you can see all of that flooding. There was also Hochatown that also had some significant flooding. There you see water flowing over the roadway. So how much rain fell? Well, we'll take a look here as we look at our graphics. Thanks so much for that video, but that gives you an idea how much rain fell. There's those reports. Hochatown, Broken Bow. You can see right around 10 o'clock that flooding was reported. Pickleberry Trail, and also that report just to the east of Broken Bow in McCurtain County. Now we zoom out a little wider. That, by the way, is about 3 to 4 inches of rain that fell. Keep in mind the estimated rainfall totals aren't going to be as great the farther you get away from the radar. Then you're going to see heavy rain falling in central Arkansas and a little lighter totals, but still rained. You know, that's why we went 100%, because it was going to be widespread, measurable rain all across the entire viewing area. So Bella Vista only about 1/4 of an inch, Bentonville about 3/10 of an inch, Fayetteville's Drake Field got over an inch, but on average it was about 1 inch, and Sallisaw 1.71 in eastern Oklahoma. As we take a look at some rain totals farther south, those numbers start to climb a little bit. Poto at about 2.2. Same with Riverdale, which is in western Franklin County. Mena, couple reports of heavy rain over 3.5 inches. One was 3.67 in Mena, and northwest of Mena, 3.85. Now, what about Scott County and Waldron? There you see the rain that's on the ground right there, a little bit of fog that's developing, and we're currently seeing more rain that's starting to move in. More energy, and as we zoom in here a little bit on the satellite and radar, first we're going to take you through a 36-hour satellite radar loop. Look at all that shower and storm activity. Thankfully, no severe weather in terms of hail, tornadoes and damaging winds. Didn't see any of that. Flooding, though, obviously was a concern and came to fruition in parts of the area. There's that rain that's popping up in northeast Oklahoma. We put it into motion. You can see it slowly moving east. It's not going to last very long, but a few little sprinkles and a little bit of light shower activity possible. Here's a look at southbound I-49. That's exit 86. Visibility, look at it dropping right before your eyes. That means how far you can see off in the distance. That fog is starting to settle in, and there's going to be some dense fog in spots. Harrison at about 1/2 mile right now. Overnight tonight, that fog will continue to linger, so some slow spots for your morning commute. Also use caution, as that visibility can drop pretty close to almost zero at times briefly. Friday afternoon, no more fog, and then Saturday morning, because of the clearing sky that we see tomorrow evening, we're going to see a little bit of patchy fog that develops, but that will lead to a beautiful sunny weekend. Look at that cloud deck right there. It's starting to lower more and more, and so I think a little bit of a foggy night expected. And the relative humidity at 90% with the temperature and dew point pretty close together. No more flood watches. We do have some flood warnings for some minor river flooding. We look off to the west. Here's the giant low pressure system that's churning about. That, as it moves overhead, is going to bring our additional chance of rain tomorrow late morning into the afternoon. Maybe even a rumble of thunder. I've been watching this closely. Maybe it produces some small hail, but that's still a very long shot in the forecast, but it's like one of those small-scale details that might come to fruition. Here's a look at Friday, late morning into the afternoon. There's that little bit of shower activity. Cloud cover really not clearing out at all, so just be ready for that. Still above freezing, though, so you don't have to worry about any frozen precipitation. Overnight tonight, our lows are going to be in the lower to middle 40s, and tomorrow, not terribly mild, mid-50s. Upper 40s, though, in southwest Missouri, but we are still looking at a gorgeous weekend. But just be cautious and aware it's a little cool in the morning, but the late morning into the afternoon after that fog burns off, looking great to start off February. Northwest Arkansas, Groundhog Day, very nice. We'll see what Punxsutawney Phil says. Hopefully we don't have any more winter, but I will say it does look pretty chilly as we get into about the 8 to 14 day outlook.